Hey everyone, this is Asher Gusher, and I just want to let you know that this is an update. This is a PC I built. Sorry about all the stuff. I was studying. So on here, on what I built, it's a Ryzen 220 build, and the motherboard is B450 Asus. I totally forgot the brand. So yeah. So here it is, the building. Well, I'll like open it to take a good look inside, and just to go through the parts I have picked for this build. So yeah. Okay, I cleaned my mess so I can have enough room so I can place this PC laying down. So I'm gonna pause this and update. Okay, I have placed down my case. I unscrewed this. It was kind of difficult to unscrew it, and it left a lot of powder. That's kind of what I'm afraid of. It kind of makes a little mess. It's not that really noticeable, but once you look close, it leaves powder. So let's take a closer look at this, shall we? Yeah, see, I can actually see it. You can't see it on the camera, but I can actually see it against the light. So I'm just gonna go clean my hands. It's not really okay to touch stuff that are electrical, and well, you get it. So okay, my hands is all washed. So as you can see here, I got my AMD fan. And under the fan, it's actually a CPU. The top above it is a CPU cooler, so it can help the processor from overheating. And over here, I got my RAM slots, either known as DIMM slots. There's different types. This type of RAM is DDR4. So there's like cablings here, pin 24 pin cable connected to the CPU to the motherboard, so you can get the power. Last but not least is the video card. Either well, what's it called? It's a video card, but it's known as a GPU or just a graphics card. But in other terms, you can call it either way if you wanna know the names of it. You can actually see at the bottom down there. It's like too dark. For my review about this case, it's pretty good. It has really good cabling management, I would say. But since this is like my very first build, it was kind of difficult. So I'm actually a noob. But yeah, but I'm still learning. I was studying earlier ago, learning about the parts. So for the side part of this motherboard and case, as you can see, you got our audio ports, also known as audio jacks, and the Ethernet, which we all know, and these four are USB ports. But there's a different one, but I totally forgot. And the HDMI, DVI, VGA, and a PS2 port, which connects to your keyboard or your to your mouse. And that's about does it. There's expansion slots right there that is screwed onto the video card. Oh yeah, about how I took off the glass case outside of it. Here's the glass. It protects it, but once you want like a good glow. Like there's like different types of things. Like RGB, it glows. It really gives a spark on your look of your computer, if that makes sense. And we got the dust filter, so prevent it from catching dust from the inside. And last but not least is the PSU, the power supply. It's not that much, but on and off. I would turn it on for you, but I don't want to because it's actually dangerous to test the inside of the computer once it's like powered on. So I wouldn't recommend touching the motherboard or the inside of it. That actually kind of happened in one of my classes. This student actually touched the inside of his computer, which is so freaking dumb. I was gonna say something, but I just pretend I didn't saw. He looked around, but I know damn well I saw everything. So so the AMD. I'm still learning about this whole tech thingy, which I'm highly new. So, and sorry if this video is like too long and lots of stuff that's said. I'm like basically new to these kind of things, not gonna lie. Yeah, that's about it, I guess. The back of this case is okay, but yeah. Sorry about that, something's came up. Well, yeah, as I was saying, I'm like new to these stuff. Like, I do want this to be like my future career and a good YouTuber. And I know I'm just wishing and all, but yep. Yeah, this was actually kind of difficult to build, despite of me being new to this kind of stuff. I had help from my brother-in-law. He's like sort of experienced with this type of thing, which is pretty neat and dope. So, yep. Yeah, we got some SATA cables. The SATA cables right here connects to the HD, not HD, what's it called, SSD card. Well, no, not SD card. Hard drives. Yeah. Yeah, I got the basics down. So